Nobal.
Yebo.
I-runners zifikile, they enjoy i-race. I-club ingaphefumula ithini ngale turnout le competition yanamhlanje?
Mandibulise Top Runner. Look, it was amazing. The turnout was amazing. We online alone, we were sitting at 1.2 something, 87, I don't know. Then you are asking about e-walk-ins. They are the ones that are always more.
Yeah.
So the overall, we were sitting at 1.8.
Wow.
It's very amazing. The race is growing
Every year.
every year.
And
It's and yes, basically the steam of mhlawumbe noba xa i-holiday during the week yiyo is a sneaky peek. Yabona, but because ngoku yi-long weekend, but we see numbers, people from all over. Abanye babuyile kwindawo zabo zemisebenzi, kwi-mines zabo bazo apha ufumana i-inquiries into yoba guys, we coming from Johannesburg, is there the race? And I was amazed by 6 people who were coming from UK to come and run the race. So iyakhula le race yethu and sayibulela inkxaso yabantu ne-sponsors zethu. Ubona kunjena nje inkxaso yabantu ne-sponsors.
And kids are having fun also because you catered for them.
Oh yes.
As mothers would do.
Yes. Singabazali singomama, it's a Women's Day, asifuni umama ahlale endlini kuba yesithi akamazi umntana kuzamthini. So omama mabeze, i-court ikhona yabantwana, ikhona i-child's court where abantwana bazodlala, and also ngoku wena usabalekayo, if every umntana akakwazi ubaleka u5 unayo indawo yodlala, ngoku wena usabalekayo khona nomuntu obajongileyo abantwana kangaka yethu.
Let's talk about the competition. Are you happy about how athletes competed in all different categories and events today?
Yeah, I'm very happy. You know, kulo nyaka sibone iwina yethu yaka10 ingasi ayikho. So whoever ebebala ku10 beqonda oh akekho number 1, so uzasithula ijagu. Unfortunately khange ndibone ba who came in, but abantu bayayazi ba who is the first runner around, and if that first runner is not here, I can't the chance yakhe ndoba makasitest into uzaphumelela.
One of the things that is remarkable about this race and runners appreciate it is towards finish all ladies get roses.
Oh yes.
What made you guys to start that?
You know, into ye-rose ivele kwinto yoba sifuna uspecialize omama, sifuna ubanika i-attention omama ne saqonda into yoba yintoni ezayenza into yoba umntu afuna ubuya kulo nyaka ozayo. I-rose mos asifane sizifumane
ningabanye
asinandawo yokubana i-roses. So if there is a place enikisa i-roses for free, why not? And ngoku yinto ovele uqonda into yoba noma besifuna uziyeka ezi rose uvele ubone into ethi we are coming for the roses. So it's something that attracts most women because as so many roses anytime. I think the economy is very abantu bathenga mini kune roses. So this is the place where we can get roses. Why not become?
How do you feel when women appreciate this? Because they really love it.
You know, I'm humbled and as a club since we finished into yoba as we've done into enhle ebantwini. Yes, abantu abazile bazobaleka. What are we giving out to the people? So as our roses nje kongena phayana umuntu efumana i-rose nonga ifumananga uye abuye azobuza uba khandi ifumana i-rose asisenanto bezifuna i-roses. So funeka ngokuthi i-roses bezifunyanwa ngabathile abuza uba but I'm a female, I need a rose. So something that we need to look at to ensure that every woman that run i-race yethu ugoduka ne-rose up.
Talk to clubs that were manning your water points, both clubs and companies that came in to support you kule race.
You know, ibhoda ke idume ngothando. Thina apha siyi-family. Noma ubalekela epi club, we are a family. You'll be amazed into yoba ezinye club, they even phone me to say sicela water point nobhala. And unfortunately, e-water point is every 3 kilometers. It's by rule. Every 3 kilometers there must be a water point. And that's why water point was about they were saying, I'm maintaining my water point. They're saying it's a water point. I'm like, guys. So they bully like in Kaso years near runners, new clubs, water points. I said, no companies. Now we want to move away from giving e-clubs water points. We want to give e-sponsors so that this is enjoy running because we've got sponsors are basically running in running so abanye ezinye water points ze sponsors athi umuntu okay ndizazosponsorisha but ndicela ndizazobaleka ku5.
Okay.
So it start from there. Siyabaheha bababese basponsorisha but bazoyibona lento bayisponsorishayo ba ihamba iphelelepi lento le mali yabo bayi-injectayo yenza ntoni. So bafumanise kuba abanye they end up running, abanye sifuna bangene baqale ku-water points baye bangene because into enesifunayo into yoba abantu mabaqalise uphila a healthy lifestyle. Baqalise ubaleka. You don't have to ubaleke uthini, you can just walk u5 but sifuna into yoba wonke umuntu awoke okanye aqalise nje i-healthy living.
Iibhasi zenu zonke zifike on time, akho bhasi belate?
Oh yes, trusted buses. Akukho nto imnandi njengento yoba ucele ibhasi umuntu ayi-honorishe loo nto leyo ngesinxibo. Xa ndibona oobus driver bengena benxibe mbetshe benxibe upurple itsimi beyibambile, I was like, you know what, I am touched. So oobus driver bethu bafikile on time and ndibabulela kakhulu.
Okay. Happy Women's Month, Nobhala. Enkosi kakhulu. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Well done on putting together this race and a beautiful race day.
Thank you.
Enkosi kakhulu.